Mobility Simulator in Autodesk's Infraworks was the perfect tool for us to use to validate our proposal. We were able to simulate our specific dismissal plan and see if it met our client's goals and COVID-19 guidelines. The tool has enabled our clients to really visualize the dismissal plan and promote a more informed conversation leading to the best solution path. Benefits of using Mobility Simulator include showing how long dismissal and arrival will take, showing the length of each student trip, showing if social distancing is being met, and representing the traffic density at the pickup zone. Using the dismissal plan PDF outline, a network is created in Mobility Simulator to simulate the dismissal sequence. Classrooms are represented by areas, as well as the bus stop and pedestrian pickup zones. This allows us to route students from all the classrooms to the bus stop, the pedestrian pickup zones, as well as to the vehicle pickup zone based on real data provided by the school district. Social distancing is simulated by increasing the space parameter for people to the social distancing radius, as well as by adjusting the capacity of walkways to their length divided by social distancing radius. We wanted to show the bus dismissal taking place before the rest of the student dismissal to reduce corridor load. So we set up some additional terms and demand profiles, allowing us to stagger the dismissal of groups of students. Many school layouts will lead to conditions where there are multiple routes which connect destinations. This can be helpful in simulating typical situations where people will make choices more randomly, but for our purposes, we want all of the students to follow their dedicated paths, helping avoid collisions. We utilized the route spreading tool to eliminate deviation from the main paths. This tool is also used to test the network and make sure routes are connected and functioning as planned. We wanted to use the simulation to show the potential impact our plan would have on the vehicle queue for pickup, so we incorporated the vehicle pickup into our simulation. We have a group of cars assigned to fill up the pickup lot over the simulation time. As students arrive at the pickup lot, they will get into a waiting car and leave. We increased the time for students to get in the car to help simulate additional time the cars will be waiting in the parking stalls. To evaluate the simulation, we utilized the information shown in the Analysis tab, which gives a summary of trips with times and distances. We then reviewed the walking reports, which show individual trip times and distances, and the level of service, which shows if spacing is being met on all walkways. These tools can show that the client's goals are being met and their concerns addressed regarding the time for dismissal and the ability to enforce social distancing. Mobility Simulator can be used to solve a range of problems related to getting students safely back to school, from arrival sequences and class transition sequences to simulations for middle and high schools, as well as parking and class transition simulations at universities.